Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, again we will learn some more smart Excel tips from Office 365. Whenever new baby is born or whenever new baby is at home, we all are excited to make different things with regards to maintain the memory of new baby, right? Here, Office 365 along with Excel functionality has come to help us to make a very beautiful and easy baby growth tracker. Isn't it surprising? Are you aware of it? I think you are definitely not aware of it. To know such a tips, please subscribe to my channel as I will continue to let you know how do we do this or how do we use this feature. Okay? So open an Excel sheet, go to file, click on new. Now, generally, whenever we click on a new, we get this screen. Okay, we will skip it for now. We will just scroll down. Here, you will get two options. One is office and personal. At this point of time, this option of office is enabled because we can see a broad line below office. If you click on personal, you will see another line below personal saying that it is activated. We will click on office. Okay. So we have now these different options: business, personal, planners and trackers, list, budget, charts. For our baby to maintain all the information, we will click on charts. Once we click on chart, we have to wait for a few seconds and this screen will come up. This screen will have a different type of the charts or different subjects, but we have to click on 10 tips for charts. Okay. Here you will get one series. Just keep on clicking, 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 and here it is last one. Baby growth tracker. This template is readily available. Rather, Excel has made a provision for it. Once we are here, we will just click on create. Wait for a few seconds and see the whole growth tracker is now in front of us. It is in the form of two sheets. Here you can make the complete growth data related to your baby. Here you can see chart wise information, the way or as you go on populating the data. Okay, come back to the growth data. Here you can put the name the way you want. By default it is Jasmine. See, I'll just make it little bold so that you can easily understand. Here different criteria are already available with regards to age, right? Column C, it is all about the growth in terms of days or months, right? And here corresponding growth chart is already plotted for us. You can make this information the way you want. If you want to add, let us say 48th month, I will do it for you. And see here in growth chart, this 40th month, this is also been added. What does it mean? It means whole information is readily available. You have to just change the name of the baby and enjoy the whole growth pattern by way of maintaining the data which is easily available in Excel. I hope you have liked this functionality of Excel, and mainly I hope you have also liked the way it has been brought to you. To know all such tips, please subscribe to my channel. And lastly, with regards to this particular Excel sheet, go to the file and click on save as so that you can click it wherever you want. Thank you. Thank you once again.